Sure. Here's a YouTube script for your channel FK iPhone, focused on the 2025 Samsung Galaxy A80, staying under 600 words and organized with clear sections like features, design, and a conclusion, Welcome to FK iPhone. Today we're diving into the latest surprise from Samsung, the 2025 Galaxy A80. This mid-range device comes back with a bold update and it's got a few tricks up its sleeve. Let's break down everything you need to know about it. Starting off with features, the Galaxy A80 brings a refreshing mix of power and practicality. It's running on the latest mid-tier Snapdragon chip, which means smooth performance for gaming, multitasking, and video streaming. Samsung has also bumped up the RAM and storage options so you won't be struggling with lag or space. The battery life has improved as well. It now holds enough charge to easily get through a full day of heavy use. Plus, fast charging is quicker and more efficient. Samsung has also added some smart AI features in the background to help manage power, apps, and even optimize the display based on how you're using the phone. One of the standout elements is the camera system. The original A80 was known for its rotating camera, and this 2025 version brings back that spirit in a new way. It's got a flip-up camera mechanism again, but this time it's faster, more stable, and looks more polished. This single camera setup does double duty as your rear and front shooter, so you get the same high-quality photos no matter what. Night shots are much better now thanks to a wider aperture and better low-light processing. Video recording also gets upgraded with new stabilization and support for higher resolution formats. Now let's talk about the exterior. The A80 has a clean, futuristic look. Samsung has trimmed the bezels down to almost nothing and the display stretches edge to edge with no punch hole or notch. Since the camera flips up from the back, the front of the phone is all screen. It's a gorgeous AMOLED panel with great colors and contrast, perfect for watching content or scrolling through apps. The build feels premium. It's got a matte glass back that doesn't attract too many fingerprints, and the frame is aluminum, making it feel solid in the hand. It's not too heavy and the curved sides make it comfortable to hold. Samsung also added some splash resistance, which isn't full waterproofing, but it's a nice touch for a phone in this range. The fingerprint sensor is under the display and works much faster than before. There's no headphone jack, but you do get stereo speakers that sound decent for casual listening. Connectivity is strong with support for 5G, Wi-Fi 6, and Bluetooth upgrades that ensure better range and reliability. In conclusion, the 2025 Galaxy A80 is a solid comeback. Samsung took the best ideas from the old A80 and modernized them with better hardware and a sleeker design. It's not a flagship killer, but it doesn't try to be. It's for people who want something unique, practical, and stylish without paying a flagship price. If you're looking for a fresh Android phone with standout design and good performance, the new A80 is definitely worth checking out. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to FK iPhone for more reviews and updates on the latest tech. See you in the next one.